Hello, my name is Funmi and I'm here to help you accelerate your career. In my last video, I shared on how you can improve your network. One of the things you need to do to improve your network, which I shared in my last video, was for you to use LinkedIn to meet people in your industry, in groups, in association, people that can help you to accelerate your career and people that can help you to achieve your career goals, right? Now, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can get a mentor online. Getting a mentor is very, very important for you to achieve your career goals. The use of a mentor helps you to achieve your career goals faster, and also it helps you to avoid a lot of mistakes that you would make. A mentor basically is someone that can help you to move up and higher and quicker the career ladder. Imagine if you don't have a mentor, you would go through so many issues and so many pains. So why don't you just get a mentor and let the mentor mentor you? But then I don't want you going on LinkedIn asking people to be your mentor. I don't want you sending messages to people saying, please sir, can you mentor me? Please sir, can you be my mentor? Mentor me, mentor me, mentor me. No, I don't want any of that. I want you to be able to position yourself from an angle of value, which I talked about in my first video. So if you missed it, make sure you go over to my channel to watch it. How do you position yourself from an angle of value and get a mentor? The first thing is that you need to reach out. You need to reach out to whoever you want to mentor you. But before you reach out, you need to make sure that you consume as much content about them as possible. Read their books, buy their videos, buy their courses, go for their events, read their LinkedIn profile, read their articles, follow them online so you can learn so much about them and you can actually find out if they are the right mentor for you. When you're reaching out to someone to be your mentor on LinkedIn, you don't need to send a message asking them to mentor you. In fact, erase the word mentor from your mind totally, because I don't want you to put that word in a sentence to them. What you need to do is you need to position yourself from an angle of value. First, introduce yourself, who you are and what you do. The next thing you need to do is to make sure that you pick one or two positive things that you've noticed about them. Have you read an article about them that helped you to be able to connect with them better? Have they just been given an award? Make sure you mention one or two positive things about them. The next thing you need to mention is how you can help them. Always make sure you ask how you can help them. Can you help them write articles? Can you volunteer at their next event? Can you help them to proofread their work? Always look for ways you can actually add value to them if you really want them to be your mentor. And I'm very sure that by the time you get into their network and into their circle, they are automatically your mentor, okay? And you are also their mentee. So I hope you'll be able to get so much value from this video. And what I want you to do is I want you to share this video with your friends and also drop a comment in the section below. And if you have any questions, drop your questions, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and drop a comment. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.